Every second, hackers try to break into someone's computer or steal personal data. Don't let it be yours. In this video, I'll show you simple tips anyone can use to stay safe online. No technical knowledge needed, just easy steps that protect you and your family. Let's get started. Welcome to EduAIverse, where we make technology safe, simple, and easy to understand. Today's topic is cybersecurity. What is it? And how can you protect your data, passwords, and privacy? Let's break it down in a way everyone can follow. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity means protecting your devices, personal information, and online accounts from bad guys like hackers, viruses, and scams. Everyday risks: 1. Phishing emails that try to trick you into giving your password. 2. Weak passwords that are easy to guess. 3. Clicking on fake links that install viruses. Simple ways to stay safe: 1. Use strong passwords, mix letters, numbers, and symbols. 2. Turn on two-factor authentication to FA, so even if someone guesses your password, they can't log in. 3. Think before you click. Check if a link looks real. 4. Keep your phone and computer updated. Updates fix security problems. 5. Install antivirus software to block harmful files. Real-life example: imagine you get an email that says you won a prize and asks for your bank info. A safe user stops, checks the sender's address, and doesn't click any link. That's good cybersecurity in action. Cybersecurity at home and work. 1. At home, protect your Wi-Fi with a strong password. 2. At work, don't share passwords or leave devices unlocked. Conclusion: cybersecurity is not just for tech experts, it's for everyone. With these simple steps, you can stay safe online and protect your digital life. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, comment a tip you use to stay safe, and subscribe to EduAIverse for more easy tech guides. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.